Is your Samsung TV not responding to volume controls? Volume control issues affect about 15 to 20% of Samsung TV users, particularly on models from 2019 to 2021. Let's identify the problem and start troubleshooting. First, identify which control method you're using. There are three main types: infrared remote control, which requires line of sight to your TV; HDMI CEC, also called AnyNet Plus by Samsung for connected devices like soundbars; and the SmartThings app for Wi-Fi based control. The most common causes of volume control issues include IR sensor obstruction, where something blocks the signal path; weak remote batteries that can't send strong signals; HDMI CEC conflicts between multiple connected devices; and outdated firmware that may have bugs. Here you can see typical Samsung remote controls and the connection setup for Samsung Frame TVs with the One Connect box. The IR sensor location and proper connections are crucial for volume control functionality. Start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, replace your remote batteries with fresh ones. Second, ensure there's a clear line of sight between your remote and the TV's IR sensor. Third, restart your TV by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This diagram shows how the IR signal travels from your remote to the sensor. These basic diagnostic steps and troubleshooting methods resolve approximately 40% of Samsung TV volume control issues. If these steps don't solve your problem, advanced troubleshooting may be needed. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions target specific hardware and software issues. For infrared remote problems, the IR sensor on both your TV and remote may need cleaning. HDMI CEC conflicts are a major cause of volume control issues. Navigate to your TV's external device manager to access AnyNet Plus settings. Try disabling and re-enabling this feature or selectively exclude problematic devices. Samsung regularly releases firmware updates that address volume control bugs. Check for updates in your TV's support menu. Keeping your firmware current prevents many software-related issues. If firmware corruption is suspected, a factory reset can resolve persistent issues. This will erase all your settings, so note down your preferences first. Navigate to Settings, General, and Reset to perform this operation. When software solutions fail, hardware failure may be the cause. Professional repair services can diagnose internal component issues, replace faulty IR sensors, or repair damaged circuit boards. Modern Samsung TVs offer alternative control methods. Voice control through Bixby and Alexa provides hands-free volume adjustment. The SmartThings app includes self-diagnostic features and can serve as a backup remote control solution. These advanced troubleshooting methods address the most common Samsung TV volume control issues. Start with software solutions like HDMI CEC adjustments and firmware updates before considering hardware repair or alternative control methods.